Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make roux with oil and flour. Start by measuring equal parts oil and flour, then whisk them together over medium heat. Keep stirring constantly to prevent burning and to develop the flavor. Adjust cooking time for color, from pale for white sauces to amber for richer gravies. I'll guide you through timing, consistency, and common mistakes to avoid for a perfect roux every time. Choose an oil that matches your recipe and cooking temperature to get consistent results. Neutral oils give a clean base while butter adds a nutty richness but burns sooner, so lower the heat. If you want a pronounced flavor, select a stronger oil knowingly. I'll explain smoke points and how they affect color and taste, plus quick swaps so you can adapt the roux to soups, sauces, and gravies with confidence. Heat the oil, stir and flour, and whisk constantly until smooth to avoid lumps and scorching. Keep the pan at medium, watching color change from pale to golden to amber depending on your recipe. Remember, longer cooking produces more flavor but less thickening power, so balance time with desired consistency. I'll show how to test the roux by adding small amounts of liquid and adjusting heat, so you nail texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.